Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use reverse charging on Redmi 17. To do that, you simply need to get yourself a two-sided USB-C cable, insert one side of it into your Redmi and unlock the smartphone. The other side goes into either in another smartphone that has less the smaller battery percentage, or it can also be any other device that can be charged via USB-C. And after you insert the other side of the cable into your other device, it will immediately start charging. And that's pretty much it. You don't need to do anything else. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.